Oh, auto-connect siya pag ano sa USB. Nice. What's up guys, Summer here and welcome to another episode of Summer's Auto Marketing Channel. So for today's video, ang ipepresent ko naman sa inyo ngayon ay ang Dongfang 14th Friday. So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel para lagi kang updated sa lahat ng videos na i-upload ko. So let's start the review. So guys, this is the Dongfang 14th Friday 2024. It is a full electric vehicle and ang SRP niya is 2,580,000. So as you can see guys, napakaganda ng design and sobrang futuristic. So it's just like hindi siya naglalayo sa design ng Tesla, no? Ganda. So, this is the LED headlamps. DRL siya. Then, parang yan na rin yung pinaka-LED niya, no? So, DRL pa lang yan, guys. Tapos, ito yung kanyang sa camera. And then, you have 4-eye sensor. Tapos, dito yung sa charging niya. So guys, as you can see, ito yung pinaka-headlamps niya. Ang ganda nung pagka-DRL niya, no, mahaba. So yan, dalawa yung DRL niya. Ito yung design. Then with the logo of Dongfang. So guys, ito naman yung engine ng Dongfang 14th Friday. So, it is a full electric vehicle, no? So, wala na siyang engine size. And then, wala na rin siyang transmission. It is a full automatic. So, ayan. So guys, ito naman yung size ng gulong niya and design. So it is a two-tone alloy with orange design. Ang size ng gulong is 235 by 55 rim 19 and then naka-disc brake and MacPherson strut yung kanyang suspension for better suspension or mas maganda yung takbo ng sasakyan. Then naka-EV line siya and ito yung design niya sa side. So may orange siya. So same is naka siya, disc brake na rin sa likod and then two-tone alloy with orange color or strips. Orange strips. Then dito rin. Then you have the camera at the side. So yan, camera yan with LED turn side. So punta tayo sa gilid, no. So ito yung design ng side doors niya. with orange strips. And then, one speaker at every door. Then, naka-green or yellow-green strips tayo. Tapos, ito, metal to. Chrome metal. Then, ito yung mga door locks. Tsaka sa windows. And then, 2 cup holders. Then, as you can see guys, dito naman sa upuan ay may massage chair siya. And then, lumbar support plus electric adjust. Then, sa seat naman, as you can see guys, it is a soft leather with green, with the touch of green. So, ayan yung design. Then, dito naman yung adjustan ng side mirrors. May auto fold siya. And then, electric adjust plus traction control and power tailgate sa likod. Then, ito naman yung bukasan sa engine sa unahan. Plus, may pocket ka rin dito para kung sakaling lagayan ng toll fee ticket, pwede rin. So guys, kung makikita mo naman, yung instrument panel niya is full HD na siya. So, walang number yung speed kasi kuha mo kagad yung hatak na gusto mo. Then, we have different driving mode, which are normal, sports, and eco. So, tumutunog siya. So, guys, as you can see, napakaganda ng steering wheel niya. 14. Yeah. And then, sa right side ng steering wheel, nandito yung adaptive cruise control with 360 and favorites. Then, we have the reset and set. Yung plus dyan is, isa-set mo siya kung gaano kabilis yung adaptive niya and minus. And then, ito naman yung pinakabusina. Ganda. Tapos, ito naman yung sa sounds, volume, and adjust, and voice command. Then, dito naman makikita yung push start and start control. Then, pwede mo ring i-mirror link dito yung cellphone mo. So, dyan. So, wala kasi akong internet connection auto-connect siya pag sa USB. Nice. Ayan pala naka-auto unlock lang. So, wala kasi akong internet, kaya hindi ko mape-play yung videos. Pero, pwede siya. Actually, pwede ka mag-play dyan ng movie and YouTube, guys. Ayan. Tapos, may Facebook, Spotify, and local music. So, pwede, guys. Wala lang akong internet and mahina lang yung internet connection dito sa loob ng mall. So, yan. Yan yung pinaka-interface ng LCD screen. Actually, it is a 10-inch LCD display where you can able to play multimedia, radio, and phone link. So, yan. Pag pinindot mo yung phone link, dyan na yun. Sa second naman, nandito yung settings. So, ang makikita naman sa settings ay screen brightness. Yan, na-zero tuloy. Then, warning for video playing during driving, automatic timing, tsaka format. Sa vehicle, yan, nandyan yung ambient light. So, it has ambient light. Then, sa driver assistance, we have lane change assist, door open warning, rear cross traffic alert. So guys, as you can see, ito yung ano niya, yung shift knob with electronic parking brake and auto hold na. Plus hill descent control and drive modes. Plus 2 cup holders. So ayan. And then dito naman ayan. So, ito yung switch for panoramic sunroof mo. Yung sunroof na to is hindi natatanggal. Yun yung kagandahan. So, iwas basa. Pero, nasasara yan. So, ganun lang. And then, we have LED headlamp, LED cabin lamps. Tapos, dito naman, may vanity mirror tayo with lamps. Astig, no? Ganda. Both yan, ah. O, diba? Kung gusto mo magpaganda, winner na to. Diba? So guys, ayan, as you can see, ito yung second row ng sasakyan. So, nakapulupot pa yung plastic kasi brand new to, no? Then, you have the armrest. Yan. So, ayan naman yung side doors, no? And then, you have clip here. Nice. Tapos, dito naman, you have 2 air vents. Wow, ang lamig. Then, 1 USB. Here. Tapos, may lagayan din ng cellphone here sa ilalim. Tapos, as you can see, naka-chrome design din to with document holder. Then, it has 6 airbags with LED cabin light here. So, ayan. 6 airbags hanggang dito, guys. Ito, hindi makita eh. Yan. Airbags. Then, sa second pillar, airbags. So, ayan. Ganda. So, etong mga lights dito yan. May ilaw yan. So, ayan. So, ito naman yung likod ng 14 Friday. As you can see, naka-LED tail lamps na siya, isang diretso. Wow, ganda ng design. And then, Friday and 14. Tapos, Dongfeng Motors with 4 eye sensor. So, naka-power tailgate na siya. Ito yung power tailgate niya, guys. Then, nandito nga pala yung camera. Then, naka-skid plate na siya sa likod with orange touch. Tapos, ganito kalaki yung kanyang sa likod. So, marami ka na malalagay dito for large traveling bags. Tapos, with tonneau cover. So, may cover siya. Then, 60/40 nga pala yung kanyang hatian sa upuan. Tapos, may lamps ka na rin dito. So, eto siya. May sariling mattings plus spare kit. So, wala siyang spare tire, guys. Spare kit lang. So, So that's it guys, and I hope na marami kayong natutunan sa akin. So for more inquiries and test drive, please call or text the number below. And then if may mga customer or guys, pag hindi kayo ma-approve na client, so kaya-kaya ko po kayong tulungan if you are CMAP or credit card holders na hindi nabayaran or delayed payment sa credit card, and then kung nahatakan ka na sa sasakyan guys, kayang-kaya ko po kayong tulungan. So if there is no choice na guys, we have second-hand car for financing and cash. So that's it guys, and kung nag-enjoy ka sa video ito, please hit the like and subscribe button for more updates sa mga reviews ng car. So Summer here, and till my next vlog. Bye-bye!